This compact IYOFINE 80,000 revolutions per minute air duster delivers surprisingly strong airflow and suction that easily lifts dust from keyboards, consoles, and tight car crevices. Its brushless motor design not only boosts power and efficiency but also reduces wear, so it feels built for long-term, repeated cleaning sessions. The 3 adjustable power levels and multiple nozzles make it easy to switch from delicate electronics to heavier debris without feeling over or underpowered. A 4-in-1 design that vacuums, blows, inflates, and deflates means one handheld tool can replace separate dusters, pumps, and a small car vacuum. The rechargeable 6,000 mAh battery offers genuinely useful runtime, and the clear battery indicator on the handle helps avoid surprise cutoffs mid-job. Despite its strong performance, the unit remains light, cordless, and comfortable to hold, and the included case keeps the washable accessories organized for travel or garage storage.